Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to delete account in Betano. Now, the only way to do this is actually write to their support team, right here, support@betano.com. And you need to request basically a message like this, an email. They're permanently requesting account deletion, okay, not just temporary suspension, permanent closure of your account. So you can use this message, and later on you need to provide details of your account. Of course, try to do this from the same email that you have signed up your account on, okay? Use that and give details to them. They may send you a confirmation email, and if so, go ahead and reply with yes, right? Say that I confirm, yes, I confirm I want my account deleted, and make sure you withdraw any remaining funds before deletion, because support will actually ask you to clear your balance first, and then you wait for confirmation. Usually takes 24 to 72 hours, and you should receive an email saying your account has been closed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.